Please click the thumbs up, like, and subscribe, and the bell notification. Thank you. Please click the thumbs up, like, and subscribe, and the bell notification. Thank you.
Ragashanti live. Ragashanti live. Ragashanti live. Oh, time. Ready.
I Mixup An Blenda time. I'm want to call and talk up the King's day.
That's the reason I'm done with him, because I see the boy out there to get up here to see him Raga.
Hold on. The boy have you and the girl up here with the same red rock?
Yes. Raga.
Yeah.
Beside the girl with the next side of story about the red Raga. Then people that look at me and say you're Aganeering because the way we are.
Yo, that word them mad. Aganeering. Aganeering to the flipping world.
Hi. Ragashanti, I did mix up daddy. Hallelujah. Ragashanti go on and on. Yes, Ragashanti. Do you know how Richie feelings this, right? And you know me have to listen to your program because you talk a crocus bag of things with scandal side of it.
Mixup An Blenda time.
Ragashanti live. Ragashanti live. Ragashanti live.
Mixup An Blenda time.
Ragashanti live. Ragashanti live. Ragashanti live.
Check. Hey.
Mixup An Blenda time.
Ragashanti live. Ragashanti live. Ragashanti live.
Mixup An Blenda time.
Ragashanti live. Ragashanti live.
Check.
Ragashanti live.
All right. Check you up. All right. My phone I get mad, you know. All right. Everybody who text me about different things on and listen upon. I go beg you know. All right. Hold on. Well, it is what it is, though. If you not text me, because you don't want this and that. But I always have a little problem with that, where each one of you, when you not do it in a space, each one of you, understandably, when I think you alone text me. And, I send me things. But then, when I 14 people and whatever, it kind of get, overwhelming for me. And then I start think administratively and operationally instead of I think in terms of like a presenter for go start the show and think. But it's no fault of yours, So apparently there is some little things there with the bridge, with the IrieJam 360 app and thing like that. But people here can listen on the Bridge 99 FM. This is particularly for international listeners. For those of you in Jamaica, there's no problem because you're listening on the Bridge 99 FM on your radio. But to all my international listeners, I don't know if you not hear me, but I can't respond now because the show start for it, So a bunch of different problems and things. And then anytime that happens, I forget a different mindset because then I have to think about the operation of the station and an app and if this will work. And it's a whole different mindset than when you prepare for the show. And you have to have a vibe. You have to have a vibe where you can feel and enjoy for the show. So to many of you who are having challenges with the different devices that you're listening or watching on and thing. Again, no fault of yours. I'm not berating you or anything like that. I'm just saying, just a reminder that when each one of you text me, you know, each one of you, you're thinking it's you alone. But particularly if there's a problem, it's like a whole heap of, you know, people and things like that. So we give thanks on our listener and everything. But let me see if I can get in a mood right now for the show. Two armadillos, 35 turtles, 50 lizard, and 20 snake. Two armadillos. I want to know what an armadillo is. Well, it's an animal. And let me say again, 35 turtles, 20 snakes, and 50 lizard. Let me say it again one more time. Two armadillos, 35 turtle, 20 snake, and 50 lizard. That's where them find in a 2-woman suitcase who fly. People, if you think I lie, I tell you to go over CNN right now. Let me tell you. When you go over CNN, and you go up on CNN website, X-ray finds 109 live animals in women's luggage at Bangkok airport, Thai officials say. Again, this is the title of the article. X-ray finds 109 live, you know, animals in women's luggage at Bangkok airport, Thai officials. Two women who go India. They might leave the Bangkok airport and they might go India, right? They might give the woman them name to write it. Where their name? One must name Nithya Raja. She had 38. And Zakia Sultana Ibrahim. She had 24. Who were due to board the flight to the Indian city of Chennai. Chenai. I hope I pronounce it right. And where the woman them having a them suitcase, you know, hear me say the woman, them all show you the picture them. Them all show you the picture them with the 50 lizard them, you know, 50 nice fat green lizard. Nice fat green lizard, you know. We see the two armadillos them, yeah, and we also see the 50 lizard them. Jesus have mercy. Hey, let me tell you something, man. Again, you know, it's the story over CNN. You look at CNN.com. You know, go over there and see. X-ray finds 109 live animals in women's luggage at Bangkok airport, Thai officials say. And again, these women were leaving the Bangkok airport and them go and city named Chennai in India. And them carry them live animal in them luggage. Now, what go on, you know, people? You think we have interesting beliefs? You see, in Asia, yo, the border between animals and people, you know. I want different something over in Asia, you know. And we attack clear skin Asia and dark skin Asia, right? You have the darker skin Asia over the India, Pakistani side and whatever, and then the southern part where they don't have Vietnam and them places. And then you have a lighter skin Asia, you know, the Korean, you know, northern part of China and you know, Japan and all them places and whatever. Let me tell you, man. Them have all these beliefs about animals and life things, man, you know. From little animal to big animal and whatever. You understand? A whole heap of beliefs. Some of them related to some of them is some religious type of meaning placed on different animal and whatever. And tiger body and all them something there and rhinoceros, this and that and whatever. Them have a whole heap of beliefs with them something there. And a lot of them have to do with the live animal them. And whole heap of money in it, you know. The animal them have suffer out clot. Whole heap of money in it. Crazy money in it, man. Them the ram for smuggling animal them over there and thing. But you hear me say the two, and clearly, Uno woman over here about uno afraid of lizard. As uno see one look a pally lizard and thing, uno lose uno mind and thing. Not to mention uno man who about uno afraid of lizard. And me stand by what me say. Man not afraid of lizard. All of uno man about uno afraid of lizard, uno for cut it out. Michael Burke, Junior Levy, Craigton over England, all of uno afraid of lizard. Jordan, you afraid of lizard? Oh, see, Jordan a gangster. Jordan a gangster. But you're afraid of lizard. Man not afraid of lizard. Jordan afraid of lizard, but him father afraid of lizard. Yes, people, Bobby Clark afraid of lizard. Bobby Clark afraid of lizard. Who no walk all over Jamaica and spread it. Bobby Clark, CEO. The Bridge 99 FM and IrieJam, afraid of lizard. Bobby Clark, you know, shame. Bobby Clark, why you afraid of lizard? And you going like you big and tough and strong. Man not afraid of lizard. Wanna cut it out. Me I say Kevin Linton where you say on the Facebook page. Me I say I'm afraid of lizard to Junior Levy. But anyway. Well, clearly these women, they are not afraid of lizard because even my juggle. People no go over CNN and go look on the lizard them. The picture them there, man. The picture there with the lizard them. Go look on the story over CNN. You see the two armor there. But are the 50 lizard them. You can imagine 50 big fat green lizard. And the green pretty pan lizard them too, you see. No man, I want nice green. I don't know I want to call a green. I want to call this army green. Orange tree green. I don't know. Because you know, uno love put adjectives before colors. We men, we keep it simple. Red, blue, black, yellow, you know. Uno always put adjectives before color. It can't just be green. It have to be army green, grass green. It have to be sky blue, sitting on it a blue or whatever. But this look like one kind of neon green lizard there. Them lizard look like, I don't know, look a regular idiot, fenke lizard. Them look like some name brand lizard, some up the lizard. Them lizard there look like, so, them have some good as lizard and all these things. Ever nice, how you cover your face for? And think how you put your cover your face emoji. But you see them woman you can't know say them woman are hustler, you know. And you see woman walk, if woman go travel with them, remember, you know, these are only, them just manage to catch them, you know. Yo, you see over there, them catch all people I travel with baby tiger, baby lion and all them something there, you know. And them thing that them travel with over there, you know. Because them believe in this and that, terror not what. Imagine 2 armadillos, 35 turtle, 50 lizard, 20 snake. Boy, I no found one that just dead to rat it and them put one of them snake the pound and sitting. Anyway, all right. So, people, as you know, R. Kelly, and you get locked down and all these things and under some trial. Him actually get tried at New York. And now that trial is done, him have one next case over Illinois. So, and of course, he might get tried for, well, human trafficking are one of them. Because him supposedly bring the young girls, them cross state lines and all them something there. And I don't remember the actual charges, but what you don't know, say, you know, for him thing are young girls. And for do some despicable thing with the young girls, them and thing like that, which is awful. So, him get sentenced in the New York case right now, and 30 years him get. 30 years. Of course, him can appeal it, which we can imagine that he will. But that is just a New York case. So him have to go over to Illinois. He want next state that now, you know. Him do New York, so him have to go over Illinois, where Chicago there, and him have a next case over there. And if anyone want to see the video them where them did make about him or whatever, that one they look worse too. You understand? Right now, it don't look good for R. Kelly. It don't look good for him at all. Because even if him appeal this and can get so, it's hard for him beat this because the evidence convincing. Even if him beat that one, him have to beat the next one. And then what work against him now, enough of the evidence and what people know out in high public. Now, me not sorry for him. I'm not sorry for him, right? BS pan what come out and think, we not sorry for him. You know, so when I think that, I'm not even going at the despicable things them what him do with the young girls them and all them something with them, and you know, some really nasty cranny thing, and him have a problem. Yeah, R. Kelly have a problem. I mean, say somehow you have a problem. I separate on a big artist from a big tune or whatever with what him do. Listen to me, R. Kelly a dirty man. Argument done. But apart from him being a dirty man, the dude is strange, man. The first time I come up on something where I say, for real, R. Kelly, they come Jamaica, come perform. You know, if any of you remember, you know, a long time R. Kelly, they come to Jamaica, come. Then time you look a bit jarred, you don't even know what going on. And Beanie Man did perform before R. Kelly on the stage. And before R. Kelly say him nah go on until them disinfectant thing, all kind of disinfectant have to wash down the whole stage and clean up everything before. Time says when Beanie perform, him say, people, them have to disinfect, them have to get some powerful disinfectant and all them something there, whatever, you know. And them have to disinfect every minute little space of the stage before R. Kelly go on, you know, people. I don't know if you let me see if anybody remember it and thing. Let me see if anybody a post about it. It was a big thing. And he must say, from Beanie perform, he must have to clean up. I don't know why I'm going to see about Beanie or what. I don't know what. And things. So when, at the time I hear now, I said, Jano. So I saw now some people explain and I said, no, I saw him steer. Then say him have some weird thing about him. And say him have some, you know. Me, I later on I saw that it was well, in my profession, in one of my profession, them say you must do what they refer to as armchair diagnoses, meaning unless you have a client right in front of you and you are engaging in the proper procedures, when you diagnose them, you shouldn't publicly say them are this and them are that. So, just so you know, in my profession, you're not supposed to do that. But anyway, I talk sure, so let me talk and speculate. So, but anyway, so my best guess is that two of the things them we have is that he's a chronic germaphobe, just like long-time billionaire who did about Howard Hughes was. Donald Trump is a germaphobe also. You know, he's like that. He's a germaphobe. And him also, I am convinced that him also have some OCD affliction, obsessive compulsive disorder affliction. And so they must say I saw him stay. And to this date, I think him are the strangest artist who come to Jamaica. The only person with that say in a similar, and it's not even as bad, was when Luther Vandross came, you know. Luther Vandross, him did have some weird things about him. But I don't think him weird like R. Kelly. One of the woman who testified against him, when she asked him for help with her friend who did in her music or whatever, but she ended up involved with it. But she must be like 14, 15, 16, somewhere around this. And she said when she and R. Kelly get involved, R. Kelly like tell her to strip naked. Then tell her to go in her middle bed. And tell her to go up on her knee and bend over and whatever we can go in her. But anyway, just imagine this girl naked in the middle of the bed, bend over and whatever. And then she said, the man says, see right there and don't move till he come back. And then the man makes you stay there for about 3-4 hours, you know. People, that is strange. That's some strange thing, right? And what it is it's an exercise in power. Right? Him have this need for exert power over women, in particular young girls. And that is an instance of like, I am so powerful. I can tell a beautiful girl to just stay in one position, totally naked. I only know a lot of women feel when they're naked, they're at their most vulnerable when they're naked. So you put that woman in that vulnerable state, and then you position her in your space, your domain, your kingdom or whatever, and just have her freeze right there, so, in our most vulnerable state. People, that is sick. That whatever satisfaction him get from that, that is some serious clinical disorder. That's just sick. And it's a thing him have to do it to women, him have to do it to young girls. And then I don't know about the other thing them about people pan and all them something there and whatever, which me can't get it. But some awful things with him do. So he is very much involved in these activities where you're supposed to just dehumanize women and just treat them like the worst of the worst and just control them. Him man lock up woman in a room for weeks. You can't come out, go no with them if you stay in a one room and him just go in there and do as him like with them and whatever. Him man bring woman and tell him, say, him carry them go out and say, don't talk to anybody. And him have them round woolly for people and if somebody say hi, them not say nothing. And I'm say, hi, hello. And him just look on them and thing. And them know because him are the boss. And the boss said, don't talk to anybody. Don't. People that are sick. No. If you don't listen to some of them things, you know. Listen to me, he's a talented man do, you know. But if you listen to some of them things, remember that series of something that when him do and him a talk about when him a grew up and all them something there. So that boy go through certain things, you know. He go through some things. Some things reach him when him a go. If you listen, him did do one Jordan, but that's something that when him did do, him a tell story after story, and it was a series of thing. You know about it? I probably. I was something him do long time. It's a series of very talented, but the way him do it and I tell all these chapters. Yeah, man, do different, eh? What? Trapped in the closet. I eat that man and him do chapter. That boy been through some pain, you know. That boy been through some abuse and all them something there. And all the confusion and the contradictions with God and spirituality and sexuality and women or whatever. So I want to put it past him if some woman just do some sickness to a boy. And him a work it out now, but you know, hey, all the saying go, hurt people. Hurt people. Hurt people. Hurt people. And him sick. But yeah, I know. Him they get too arrogant with it too, man. Imagine him have the girl them a do a go on with where them a go on with. And one time him there dinner now or one meal. And him a eat meal with some other people and thing and whatever. And him have one of the young girl them. Young girl in that, because of them, some of them in 13, 14 and all them age there. So him dead and know and them a try to talk to the girl and the girl not talk or whatever, this and that. So the girl dumb because him tell her she be dumb. So it's like no, him a explain it to somebody else. And him a go say, Jerry Lee Lewis, who is a famous long-time white singer, him say Jerry Lee Lewis was a genius and he was afforded certain privileges. Now, for those of you who don't know, Jerry Lee Lewis is a famous white singer who something go down when him did go married one 13-year-old girl. Right? Jerry Lee, well, see some people have posted R. Kelly was supposedly abused as a child. And Dania, I said she would have bail him out and keep him for herself. Dania, you're a damn little freak. No, but she write her name backwards, so it's It's Dania Jenkins, but you see how she put it. It's Aina and then Jenkins back way. See her in I chat them, man. Now she said, should I bail him out and keep him for yourself? You hear them thing there? But anyway. So, him now, I talk about where, because believe it or not, you know, now for them state the way you see in the south, I talk about this and that, about abortion and black. You can in a couple of them states, you still can married girls that must be 14-year-old and them age there, you know. Down there, you know, with them sick self. But anyway. So him explain now to the brethren them who they dead you know why the girl not fit talk. Cause him tell her say she not fit talk. So him go say now, yeah, cause Jerry Lee Lewis was a musical genius. And he was basically afforded certain privileges because he was a genius. I hear him now. I am a genius too. And as a genius, the world benefit from me being a genius. And as a return, just like Jerry Lee Lewis, yes, ma'am, I suppose I can do what I like with young girls too, because the world I benefit from. People, can you imagine that arrogance? That is when you're drunk with your power in a man. That is when you're drunk with success in a man. That is when you're drunk till you turn idiot in a man and you feel entitled in a man. If you just do as you like with other people. But so in get 30 years, and there's a couple of quick lessons make we must be reminded of this, right? R. Kelly make one fatal mistake where he make is him go think say, like where a lot of black men do in this country, think say from them rich and them have a whole heap of money and them have some power, ooh, they're entitled to the same thing where white men get in a work so in other country. Never has, and I don't see it changing anytime soon. Non-white peoples do not have the same right that white people have. Uno don't follow the white people them who are tell about, oh, racism is over, and this country was founded on Judeo-Christian principles, and fundamentally there's always been, you know, all men are created equal, and the Constitution. Don't listen to them. People is white people run go in at the bedrock of democracy, the United States capital. And doo-doo up a place in there and wipe the doo-doo. Wipe them doo-doo all over the place. Kill police officer and whatever. People, if it was a non-white group, they'd do that. People dead run here in a what to you. If it was a non-white group, they'd say them a demonstrate and go do what them white people are doing at the capital. When them white people are real up and go for them big gun when they love go for every little thing. And say, listen to me, you come and mash up a country and you disrespect the Constitution and you disrespect our seat of government and you disrespect... Oh! You don't follow them. Whether they're on the workplace or wherever. Don't follow them when they hear them attack black people. I say everything gonna bring up about race, everything gonna this and that and whatever. And we're all treated equal. And you know, you rise up by your, and you this and that, and you accomplish this by, you know, pulling up your bootstring and what. Don't listen to them. Because it has always been the case where if black people so-called pass them place, you're gonna get checked. So that's one mistake R. Kelly make right this one. Right? One mistake he make right this. And again, you know, I not condone him behavior, you know, because there's some things me do and me no bother say nothing, you know. When me did that with Tambourine Radio for years and years and years, you don't know what he say, me stop play R. Kelly music. I mean, used to love play Toya, and all them even though it's stereotypical about Jamaican people. Me used to love play him song them and cause I love him because he's talented. Me don't ever play him collaboration them. When him do with Celine there. Me don't ever play them there. When name the year in New York, they stop playing music, some people did this and that. Me say me fully support them. man, how does that make sense? 107, one BLS, WBLS. It stopped play R. Kelly music. Me fully support them. Right? Him man sick. Him man Jay-Z used to par and they look like Jay-Z find out what go on and Jay-Z say, eh? And Jay-Z ease off and love him man. R. Kelly sick. And me I keep it real. Me not sorry for him. Me not say something me not happen to him man thing when him young we end up, with him being so disturbed and whatever and all them thing about. Right? So me not whatever, but you have to be careful how you excuse people for for be predatory with other people because them they go through pain. Not because you go through pain and hurt and whatever. People must condone you perpetrate hurt on other innocent people, particularly children. So me realize that the debate start already. I mean, many people are saying, oh, the racist country and this and that. Yeah, the country racist, but that no excuse R. Kelly for him do what him do. And Ray, and look who get away with this and whatever and this and that and them do this to R. Kelly. Fine, if you identify them double standards, I see nothing wrong with it. Me identify it too. But that no means you must excuse him arrogance where him did have and how him look down on some people, or him think him did cleaner than some people, and how him treat young girls. And enough I want to say it and think if happen to phone a relative or phone a picnic, a different argument out on the mouth, Which one I want to have a 12, 13-year-old daughter and a man go sex them off and abuse them and thing, and then when he go film him say, I was abused when I was a child, that's why I dehumanize your daughter like that and pee pan her and thing, I make she crawl pan ground and tie her up in a chain and lock her up in a dungeon and whatever and sexually exploit her for months and months and months and lock her up in okay, understand, and then you're going to say, oh, you get where, all right, cool. Which one are not going to do that? No, we're not do that. We're not doing it. You're not doing it. Go back to the Will Smith box. And not found who support Will Smith. Who Will Smith do the right thing, but defend him woman and whatever, this and that. And everyone I know who said that. Everyone I know who did that defend Will Smith. Everyone I know. Me not meet one person who defend Will Smith and I ask them that question yeah, and them either try go around it or them admit it. You know, Jordan? All of the people them who defend Will Smith, Him do the right thing, One question mash them up. So I say, oh. So if you say something as joke to somebody where it end up being disrespectful and thing now, you're okay if the person come over and box you down to down. Well, no, still enough, and I have to take no back. Yeah, everybody may answer. Anybody who defend Will Smith. Once me ask them that question, some of them try for, well, rather that a different thing that really after the academy, I say whatever. Them try to go around the thing, you understand? But none of them not take it back, None of them not take it back. Right? So I see him thing me I say. With this thing, we don't want to defend R. Kelly because him talented and because him good looking and particularly on the ladies who want to grind him off. I don't want him money. I don't imagine R. Kelly a swipe and a bite up on the inner thighs and all him something there and a squeeze up on the body jaw and all him something there and to not dead over R. Kelly and to him always, him ear cut always dead and then him can go and make all them singing sound there and him sing the bad tune them and not dead over him and I just want him to sing to me. Him just want to sing to me or whatever. Tune not dead over him. Tune want to get R. Kelly a headers and all them something there. Tune love off him lip and him tongue and them thing there. Tune say him good looking and love him shades and him only pan money and how him dress and all them something there. Tune not fantasize so burn on a man with R. Kelly. And all them things they don't want to come excuse him and I move from here and go because if it didn't happen to phone gingeration, phone data and all them something there, you don't take it. I be a box and kick on the R. Kelly and kick him in his face. And say, Toya, this, you know, say, boom, one kick in his face and thing and make him understand himself. So we just keep it real. Anyway, we're going to break. We're so forward. Okay. Well, check. Tell well, okay, check. Sorry. Okay. Yeah, people, the boss Jordan in our place and thing, and you know, some little thing I have to put in place and sitting. In the meantime, when we forward and thing, I will open up the microphone them and you know, just call in, we don't want to call in pan and thing. And okay, now man, Jordan I deal with the thing and whatever. We're good to go? All right then, we're soon forward.
Ragashanti live. Ragashanti live. Ragashanti live.
All right, back in the juggling. Okay. All right, we're back in the juggling and thing. It's all about some phone call right now. People, this weekend coming up is a big weekend in America, as you all know, 4th of July. So a big excitement to go on up here and all them something there. All who into the road and all them something there. I know something. Be a party. And you see, up here in the summer, in New York in the summer, as soon as, when summer there, as soon as holiday coming, be a barbecue. And all and sitting going up here. So everybody I get pumped now for this weekend. And then was a Monday, 4th of July and all these things and whatever. So big up all, we're going to keep on a look party them and all them something there and whatever. And thing. And then all of the excitement for the rest of the summer. Okay. Big up Aisha Kieto. Want to remind you the numbers from Jamaica. The number is 876-676-4996. 876-676-4999. Yes, and Canada too for sure. Yes, ever nice. Canada too for sure. Be excitement at Canada. A summer thing, you know. Or whatever. Yo, one thing with Canada, you know. When winter coming up, Canada people standing in the yard, you know. Right? I mean, you still have your party, you know, but me say when Canada people, man, when winter come up at a place, man, people go out and work, they come and then go in the yard. Canada people don't really do that road something too much in the winter, you know? You know, like a New York, winter with them people are enough road that do same way and whatever. It's kind of different in Canada, man. Well, from where me see, you know? Canadians can't tell me if I'm wrong or whatever, but when we go Canada in the winter or whatever, man, in tanning in the yard, man. But anyway, call in, but we don't want call in pan anything we don't want call in pan, now whatever. 876-676-4996 from Jamaica. 876-676-4996 from Jamaica. And from the U.S., the toll-free number is 888-546-8742, 888-546-8742, 888-546-8742, 888-546-8742. To the phone line we go. Give us some Jamaican call, Jordan. Hello. Yeah, Wagwan. Hello? I would it so you sound so like you in a bed and you asleep. I would it.
No, because the truth is we leave me R. Kelly alone.
Leave it? Why we must leave your R. Kelly alone?
Yes, because I don't believe everything. Somebody
not hear what you're saying. You talk down in my phone and talk clearer.
They say somebody something they mean do it for true. We believe some, but not just like Bill Cosby.
Right.
Some of them mean guilty, some of them mean not. Me still say a trump up charge. I don't believe it.
You feel say a trump up charge?
Some of them.
No, you feel say.
Mm-hmm.
So your conclusion that some of them are trump up charge, it's not based on evidence, it's based on your feeling.
Stop trying to go around the thing.
What you mean stop trying to go around the thing? Are you a go around the thing? But me a go around the thing. Are you a go around the thing? True, you love R. Kelly. Don't you did want R. Kelly. Talk it God truth. If R. Kelly come and draw for you and whatever, don't you da run it pan him. Talk it truth. You da run it pan him. Long time. What you say? You know that little saying there when them say, who can get it? You know, who can get it? So when you say, R. Kelly can't get it, no.
Give a joke.
Yeah.
When we did go school, you know, my niece and come spend, you know, summer. And me have a piece of dream there. Dream, you know.
Who come spend summer? Who?
No, my niece them come down come spend
Oh,
summer.
yes, niece them come down, come spend summer.
Right.
Yeah, and
But in night after we did a play game and we chat.
yeah.
So we go on my bed now. We have a piece of dream there, see, Raga?
A ratty dream. What with what?
Man, you know, a piece of club and I go in there, you ever watch the movie and I go in you just see the cowboys and the hat, you just go in and them there and table them poker game.
No, wait. Oh, you mean movies like when the cowboy them walk in at the saloon and them not play them poker game? Yes, so who walk in? You walk in, right?
Yes, I see him over there.
And you say, who over there? Who you say over there? R. Kelly. When did I do him? Did I play a card?
Yes, he did I play a card.
He might play a poker. Jesus God. No, hold on. Where you did that wear? Come, details.
One red skirt, high black shoes, and the belly skin.
Jesus God! What are they? Hey, no, one thing me tell man, them sometimes man them wonder why woman like Raga, it's because I listen to one thing with Uno, when not talk, for some reason, where did I wear? Even if I something imaginary, so what were you wearing? Any little thing, right away, me. So me and Yari is right,
Remember a dream,
A dream, but you did in one black shoes. Was it a pumps or a boots or what? Huh?
No, man, we have heels, and like a pointed heel. So
it's stiletto, baby. Okay, pointed heel. So talk to me, man. So in a black boots, though.
Well, I don't know, so come in, the statement to make when all eyes on you.
Yeah, man, when you swing the saloon door, walk now you come in, everybody look for you because Goody look good, though. Goody up there. Well, man, red skirt and black boots and what kind of top? What color top you did that with? Black top and thing. Me never in the dream, I mean, look at you sexy already. Jesus, well, when you come through the door.
With the lipstick, well, I don't know what the lipstick, red and the eyeshadow, them extra with the hair up. And then you have some put down.
Oh, so your ear did up, but some of the little part them come down and thing. Yeah. Jesus, God, and whatever. So when you come in, when you step through the door, oh, you did stand up with your legs them open a little bit with authority and confidence.
Right, because you have it like that.
People dead now, so when they step in, don't tell me, say, R. Kelly, turn around and look for you. They turn around and look for you.
No, man. You just tip up the hat.
He flick up the hat, the cowboy hat, and then do it.
Right, I make a one look and say eye contact there. So they second, and then it just come in and nobody else is not visible. Remember, it's a bar.
Bar, yeah.
I they look a game when you never was in cartoon when I contact me and it just black out, everything is just like I just tour with them.
Jesus, so even though the place crowded, from you and R. Kelly, R. Kelly, it's like at the 2 alone they did it. At the 2 alone they did it.
Remember, I dream it all.
And a dream, yes, we know it's a dream, but we are work with it. We are here, we go on a dream, and then what happen after that?
All right.
Yeah.
So, you just swing hips and goody, go over there and everything, but still not say nothing, just, you just make a statement to the movement.
What do you mean you want to go over to him?
Right.
Miami, my course a bad word for the people. You walk over to R. Kelly.
To the table.
To the table, yeah. Okay.
Right.
Yeah.
Because you go with a mission, so you have to go closer to the target.
That's right, to the target, yeah.
Right.
Because you're not running in, because you even with R. Kelly, you're not going like you're clapping.
It's a game, so you just go in and just, play a one game.
Yeah.
Right, so you just didn't get comfortable, and then you just get up half a drink. And at this point, conversation start. And I write this up on the pool table, Raga.
Well, weird. Well, right on the pool table?
Yeah, because it's just like open, you can do what you want to do, and nobody don't care.
So, hold on. So, you and him do it right on the pool table in the middle of the bar?
Right in the middle of the bar.
Listen to me, man, Miami. What you
We wake up the next morning, the smile.
You beat up that smile and talk. You got to keep it real pan that show you. You did wet to down. You did wet to.
Me never sweat, man.
You never what?
Me never remember sweating. But remember when we wake up, Amini said to me, "You had a very good dream."
Jesus God. So when you and him a do it, him did, cause you know same freaky, you know, everybody know R. Kelly.
All of that one.
Him do the something with them. Him do the something.
All of that one.
Jesus God. And hold on, him did bad pan it. Him did bad pan it.
I'm if tell you.
I mean, why you tell me the lie, I ask you something, you know, so I know why you tell me the lie now, you know. Cause it's a dream.
It's a dream.
Right. So when him do the freaky things them to you, you do back the freaky things them to him, don't?
All of Mr. Raga, all of that.
Hold on. In the dream, you get R. Kelly headers, Yo, you get R. Kelly headers in your dream. No, sir. Make boy ball out there. Make him ball out, sing on two tunes.
People just are, you know, and the people then just are look and they just, you know, they must say cheers, but nobody not really business. They just
not really business
like,
and thing.
It's just like them a carry on. It's just a normal thing.
I can't bother. Hey, you think you're easy, you know? Sure, right in the middle of the cup, right on the pool table and thing. I can't bother. Hey!
From this time, me said, any else me have a full table right in there.
Because you never know. Because if R. Kelly just perchance, just go pop up at your house, you want to make sure say you're ready. You know what? You got to have a house. And R. Kelly just pop up at your house and R. Kelly go say to you, you know somebody do a thing with you if you did have a pool table. You don't want that to happen. So you have to prepare now.
You can do a petition to say free R. Kelly.
If me do a petition for free, you know, I'm tell you, say, I rate about free R. Kelly. You depend on your own. Listen to me. When him get sentenced, them have a point where if you behave yourself, you can get conjugal, what them call it, conjugal visit. So I think after a while when him in there, you can work up a thing and you can go in and, visit him in a prison and dash it out upon him and thing.
Okay, right now, with that one, I just start sending to a letter. Even when people send letter to prison, I will want to write him too.
You want to write him too? Him not going to get enough, man. Why you think I bring it up? Because the woman them start already. Leave him alone. I love them, them just love R. Kelly.
So why if it done, I'm mentioning name again in your mouth.
No, you can't tell me what I'm for do. You're out of order. You're out of order. Him is a dirty man. No, hold on, man. But big and serious. You know, you him to look a girl, man. You support them, some of them.
Rather, on the flip side of it, in reality, no.
Here you know.
No, on the flip side of it, in reality, we believe some.
Some I have.
In my case, I don't understand where are these parents for these children.
Why would you always do that? No. Why would you always do that? When you want to excuse something?
So what I know, Raga, what some of the things them what they say about Michael Jackson, I believe because him a first choice.
No, well I know. You know, so as bad as things is and thing. First of all, the amount of things them where R. Kelly get accused of. Michael Jackson accusations don't even come close, right? That's a one. Two, Michael Jackson's accusations, I must say one time some woman did come out about say something sexual happened with children and then in the later half them say nothing never goes so, right? That was hold on.
More than one.
No. I must say one time it really got through the court where them say him did do something sexual. But later on, it was whatever. Listen now, most of Michael Jackson's accusations, is that he was spending inappropriate times with children. It wasn't really that Michael did do so and so to that child or do so and so to that boy or whatever. It was, and I believe they were inappropriate. But what I'm saying is, me not excuse Mike MJ, I say, film accusations pale in comparison. It was way smaller. This thing about R. Kelly have woman and a people upon them and all them something there, whatever. That is just awful.
That's how somebody. That's how some of them up there like that.
I know that people like Golden Shower. What I'm saying is the fact that people like Golden Shower. Listen to me. When you have a little
Nasty.
young girl who impressionable and don't know the world and all them something, you got to take advantage of her and she don't know what she do. And you got to normalize peeing pan her. And what I'm saying, with him, it was a power thing, you know. It was a thing for reduce the woman them to know. Him just get a kick out of that. I don't know what is going on there. There was some... them have a look, them have a kind of snapback thing with them type of abuse, yeah, you know.
That is why I say certain things questionable, Raga, me not lie, but some of them me believe. Me not lie, me believe. And if
Him have a problem.
If he get charged for the one way do, if he get charged, but he still not change nothing.
No, what you have to understand, you know, you see, you have some men, when them in a powerful position, them reach a point where them believe they're untouchable. And that they can do as them like with women. Worse if that woman a depend on it. Me no need to tell her, you have some man, them must spend them money and them believe so them can do as them like with woman, just because they must spend money on the woman.
Mm-hmm.
Right?
Why to me, evil bill, because why no? Somebody ain't something they may not believe either, you know.
No, but what me I say, what me not agree with someone who want to do is like, you have some black men, right, who, I mean, know it's a racism out there, we know it's a double standard out there. I acknowledge that. But like the black man, they would do something to picnic, and then when I say, so where were the parents? What the parents have to do with whether or not him do that to the picnic them?
Guess what? Some of them may believe it's a money thing. Some of them may believe it's just money thing. And when him say, guess what, I done with you, then just come up and say, guess what, I want some more out there. So I go, Raga, me believe some of them are spy.
No, but what I'm saying is, what I'm saying, no, hold on, me not say nay. We have people who tell lie for celebrity every day. Me not say nay. Me not say no.
Careful with yourself, you know.
No. Whatever. What I'm saying is, I am a little bit, you know, it's a little upsetting sometimes where, because we know racism out there, because we know double standard out there, we excuse our powerful and wealthy black people who are doing wrongs.
So I mean, excuse me, just say, remember, and I specifically say what he did, he should pay for.
All right, good, fine. Okay, we have an understand. And all I'm saying to you is, be careful when you're determining if somebody is wrong and they committed an egregious, awful act against somebody, that you do not deflect and say things like, so where were the parents? Because I put it this way, even if a corrupted parent come up to a man and say, me I give my daughter, and even if the parent did that wrong, that man is still accountable for run the parent and say, move from here so I'm going to protect your child and don't come to me with them something there. You don't excuse the man because the parent did that fault. So you see what I say? You follow what I say?
Yeah, man.
All right. And you know where I come from with it? Remember, you know, I get to a band and you know the Dan them was sent for the people, them look at data them down in Jamaica, you know.
Raga, one did come on a confused, no lie. Ian, one of the easy that confused Ian boy in program and she talk about it. As soon as the one they drop out, your friend Raphael.
All of them something there. Me not support them thing there. And I talk about we are protect the area and defend the area, so certainly that.
Him have to keep it in the family, because guess what? The one they gone, so guess what? Somebody have to do that to take care of what he is. But Sister Raga, have to take night out, come out.
See it there? All right.
Ourselves and our name. Yeah, so you know what they.
Yeah, man, we tell them say they wrong, man. We tell them they wrong. But anyway, may I take some other call and think. But if you get a next dream like that, tell me, you know. But it look like the next time you do it, you have to go do it in a prison with him, in a jail with him and thing, you know. Boy, go see you, I hold the jail bar, the man I bend over and I give him the whole of it.
I'm going about.
What? No, your cheap phone, I drop in. Him have to buy one phone, do a card, one and two. Go. All right, let's say a word. Big up yourself here. All right, now him have to buy one look phone and do a card. Look phone when she have your time. Kelly, see if you can buy her a phone there, yeah? You see them girl away, they sat out in a cowboy saloon on the pool table. Next call. Hello. Whoa. Hello. 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 Hello.
Hello.
Listen, you can't come on the radio and make we hear them something in the background, man. You know them not like them something there.
Not me, sir. Not me. Somebody else. Somebody on the other line. Not me. Hello?
I want different call. It's than the one where we hear with the noise that come in a while ago.
Yes, sir.
Somebody never did that sing a while ago.
Yes, sir. Yes, somebody was singing, sir, but it wasn't me.
No,
I
but
was holding the line and somebody chipped in, sir, and started to sing.
Somebody.
And I don't know what the hell I was saying.
So it was a different line when the person I sing?
Yes, sir. It wasn't me, sir.
At times, Spicy, I never you?
No, sir. I would have never do that. I should have known better than that. I expect you to know better than that, sir. No, it wasn't me.
Okay, but the person that it sound like them can't sing a little bit and true. You can't sing, I really never you, because you can't sing to save your life.
Exactly. I was my man there behind bars. So guess what? I just have to chill, okay?
Wagwan boo-boo.
I'm here, darling. I'm here. And this boy just listening and say, boy, my man really died. I can't believe.
You too?
Listen, listen. When me hear R. Kelly, me can't dance, but trust me, I have to just hold my head cap and I have to just bubble and go down and bubble and come up and me just have to go on with myself.
Listen to me. All right, so what you think about him right now with what reach him?
Yeah, two wrong cannot make right. Him wrong.
Right.
And he should have know better.
Right.
And he should have never do what him do. You understand me?
Exactly.
Don't make money lead you astray.
Yeah, fly up in my head, don't.
Exactly. And because you have money, you feel like say you can get all certain things. No.
See?
I appreciate that. But at least you don't know what I see in choice. So must have to
you know what I feel? Because you know, say Jay-Z very, very jealous of Beyonce. Don't you know that, right?
Exactly.
You know, say I think say Jay-Z catch R. Kelly and look on Beyonce bottom.
Of course.
And that is why Jay-Z said, I'm done with that boy. Because Jay-Z not play that something there, you know.
Me know.
Jay-Z not play that something there with him, with Beyonce, with him and Jay-Z not join that something there, you know.
Me know.
You remember when all right, hold on. You know hear what them say? Them say Jay-Z not trust no Jamaican man, you know.
Oh my word.
You know hear what it go on with when Beyonce go do the song with Sean Paul. You never hear what it go on?
No. Let me in. Me outside.
You know them do one song named Baby Boy. This song Baby Boy so and so, huh? Right?
Oh yeah.
You remember that song? This song take off and reach Grammy and whatever. Jay-Z say Beyonce can't do nothing with Sean Paul.
Oh my God.
Yo, when the song I do, me say, you know, the song you hear the two of them in a song. Me say them never in a studio together at any point, you know.
Are we them was outside?
No, them have to record the thing them separate and then somebody else mix it together. You never hear about the big excitement?
No.
All right, when the video come on, because you know, Beyonce, she said dance and all these things, you know.
Mm-hmm.
So when the video come out, you know, the whole video, you know, Beyonce do, you see Beyonce alone and you see Sean Paul alone and different part them mix. So for the most part, Beyonce and Sean Paul and whatever. You know, so when them do even the award ceremony to write it, then me as a Jay-Z say, hey, me don't want you around him. Me as a Jay-Z don't trust Jamaican man, not even an inch.
Oh, God.
Jay-Z go Jamaica for do filming and thing and end up down a jungle and thing and Jay-Z a drive one little old bike and thing and Beyonce each up on the bike. Jay-Z now make me say Jay-Z not just no Jamaican man and thing and whatever. So Jay-Z jealous. So nothing more than R. Kelly. Go make all a look a careless talk or I look on Beyonce bottom or something and Jay-Z see and say, hey, I'm done with you. I'm done with you.
Why? Me tell him, I love the man so Tim. I love the man.
You love Beanie Man?
Of course, I love Beanie Man. Of course, I love Beanie Man, but I love R. Kelly.
But
I love R. Kelly.
So what you think? Oh, R. Kelly, this Beanie Man and did a style up Beanie Man and them something there. When Beanie Man perform, Beanie Man and R. Kelly they want to show a Jamaica. Listen to Raga, listen to Marsh Raga. Me I tell you this something there.
I'm listening.
Beanie Man and R. Kelly they want to show a Jamaica. Moses perform. The same Moses that were the angel breed for. You see a Moses where Carleen breed for. You see a Moses, the dancehall queen, we go up on head top for Moses and thing. You see a Moses where they there with the African girl and thing where the whole of the banner say, where I'm going there with that girl if I can't if you ever ask. They see a Moses where breed the woman of England, the international star, Beanie Man, Moses Davis. Right? Disha Davis, Disha Ravers Pupa. You see a Moses the big star. After the general done perform, R. Kelly said, this thing. No, but me I say, big up Beanie Man, because I rate Beanie Man. So after Beanie Man done perform.
Beanie Man is my favorite.
But me say when Beanie Man done perform, when Beanie Man, listen to me now man, when Beanie Man done perform, dirty R. Kelly make them disinfect his stage and all these things. I said the stage have to disinfect from every corner, whatever, because Beanie Man did perform on it.
Maybe because Beanie Man body is so small. I don't know, but R. Kelly wrong this. But anyway, R. Kelly is still my man. Beanie Man is my man. Beanie is my man.
No, well. You just make a statement a while ago. If you're going to make them statement there, you can't get quality man like R. Kelly, because one idiot statement you just make a while ago.
What I just said.
You said maybe because Beanie Man body so small. What does that have to do with, what small have to do with the man that disinfect his stage and whatever and all them? What does that have to do?
No, but listen. Two wrong cannot make right. Problem has something to go on. Probably he has something. Probably Beanie Man take on a woman. Probably man look on a Beanie Man woman. I don't know. Okay? So probably something going on.
No, what I'm telling you is that the R. Kelly where you are dead over, he's sick and you don't want to admit it. You are dead over one madman. You are dead over one idiot. You are dead over one freak, one terrible, not even freak in a good way. R. Kelly a dirty man and you don't want to admit it. Admit it. Say R. Kelly a dirty man.
I said two
say
wrong. Listen, I said
no. Me say R. Kelly is a dirty man. Say that.
And you cannot tell me to say that because I'm not going to say that.
Well, I'm just telling you to say it. So you must choose whether or not you're going to say it. But you can't tell me so I can't tell you. Listen to me. R. Kelly is a pedophile and a pervert. Yes or no?
I'm not going to answer you more than I honestly
No, well on. Me just ask you a question. No. Is R. Kelly a pervert and a pedophile?
I said two wrong cannot make right, okay?
Listen to me, ask you a question.
Listen to me.
No, just answer me. Yes or no? Is R. Kelly a pedophile and a pervert?
R. Kelly did something wrong, and R. Kelly paid for it.
You don't understand. You know, answer a question you tell now, you know.
And I'm not going to answer you.
Miss Woman from Maryland in Jamaica, may I ask you a question? Stop going around me like you take Miss Cherry Wash belly for idiot. Man, I'm a fool in this. May I ask you a direct question? Answer a question. Is R. Kelly a pedophile and a pervert? Yes or no? Hey, listen to me. Listen to me. Hey, me don't even like how you son. I bet you say you have a football called Chamba, you know, stay well. Listen, when me ask you a question. Listen to me, me ask you a question. Me ask you a question. Don't go around the thing. Is R. Kelly a pedophile and a pervert?
I'm not, and guess what? I just answered. I said I'm not going to answer you. I'm not going to answer you, okay?
Are people like Uno support certain armed house in our country and our world, you know? Yes, it's true. It's true. Because you're dead over him. It's true because him good looking and him talented and him have money and him sing good and whatever. You condone him slackness. You condone him wickedness. You condone him evil. You condone him nastiness that women do with young girls and exploit them. You condone it and you don't have the courage. You utter spicy. Call you all the while, and you know back from the body. You talk your mind, you free up, you talk your mind, and you say what you want to say. And for the first time, me I talk to you right now. You don't want to talk your mind. You don't want to tell the truth what God love. Master God, I listen to you right now. You just get a demerit. You just get a demerit. You just get a demerit. Master God, I listen to you right now. And Master God, I say, you know, some of the things I'm going to let her in heaven. You're not going to 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 heaven. You're going to hell. You and Lucifer and R. Kelly will be in a hell together.
Stand up at the door.
You and Lucifer and R. Kelly going to get involved in a freaky devil fire threesome down a hell.
turn security at every door.
What?
You went and you turn security at every door, and when you see me, I come, you lock the gate for me.
Listen to me.
I turn security at every door, and when you see me, I come in.
Master gotta listen to you right now. And just because
my 8-inch heels.
8-inch heels.
My 8-inch heels.
See you now what kind of 8-inch. First of all, you can't walk good in an 8-inch heel. Me see already. You don't know if you walk in an 8-inch. You can't walk good in an 8-inch.
Hello, I be Izmir. My instep.
Me say you cannot walk. Me see you and you don't know if you walk. You are one of them who are walking at heels and we are going at the dance like you out for jump over and kin over and bust your fire. You don't know if you walking at heels. You don't know that something there. You don't know that swing something there. You don't know that swing something there.
Me not walking at any heels.
Listen to me.
Heels, me can't walk in
All me I tell you. God did a listen a while ago. And you're going to end up at L. You're going to end up at L. You going to end up at L. I get Satan blowjob. You going to end up at L. I get Satan blowjob. A beer eternal damnation for him.
Guess what?
Satan L body. That ever got deal. A beer fire body. You are going to get work with and things for the rest. Listen, you're not going to heaven. You're not going to heaven. You're not going to heaven. You're nasty Gabriel. You're nasty Gabriel. It's Lucifer you're going to do. You and R. Kelly and Satan devil body and think that is what you're going to do.
I say something to you, sir.
Say what you want.
I tell one deacon say. Me tell one deacon say, something going to heaven because guess what? He don't have Jesus' book. So when you see me coming at heaven, I don't know you see me will give me a pass. So
listen to me.
You this now. You have got on security guard. You see before me come on.
Listen to me. God never like what you say a while ago. God never like what you say a while ago and you get two demerit and you think I work against you. So I would advise you for in the future, you better try build back because you're not doing too well right now. You're not doing I'll be a wrong bang you're not getting no sticky. You never get no sticky a while ago. You never get no sticky a while ago. You never get no sticky. You never get no sticky a while ago. I'll be a wrong bang you get a while ago. Earlier go. You were arguing.
That's what you assume. Okay. That is what you assume, sir.
Okay.
That is what you assume, okay?
Because Master God vexed with you. Master God vexed with you.
Anyway, when I call the line, I would have Jamaica answer the phone a while ago.
Who don't? Me don't know who don't there. Jordan, who don't What?
I called the phone a while ago. I tell you when the man answered the phone to Ragashanti Bages and the rain falls, I tell you, cold bomb, take me from Mr. Shim because.
Who answered the phone a while ago down at Jamaica sound good?
Yeah.
Who?
I don't know. It's who.
Him name Sajay.
Oh.
No, but him a Christian and him not do careless grind, so you can't get him.
Hello.
What?
Christian has something way for your forehead.
What?
Christian has something way for your forehead.
Sajay is a Christian and Sajay say him down the careless grind. I be a careless grind you do. And thing like that.
You never do careless grind, because when me a grind, him grind no careless.
Sajay not do nothing with no woman who are doing a threesome with R. Kelly and Lucifer.
You never want the conversation. I never say me I do no threesome with R. Kelly.
Sajay not do nothing with you. Sajay not do nothing with you. Boy, you're dead over Sajay voice and thing. Sajay not doing it. Sajay a Christian. Sajay a Christian. And you can't do nothing. You can't dead over him voice, look come on, whatever. I mean, what's a Sajay here where you say about R. Kelly and a burn you out right now.
Speak for yourself. Speak for yourself. Don't speak for the young man. Speak for yourself.
Me not speak for him. All I'm saying is, me just go by what him say. Sajay say him not do careless grind. And I be a careless grind, you know. What?
Me not have to grind him, me can dine him. Me not have to grind him, can dine him. Come here, come back. Me not have to can dine him.
Why you say give him little food, no?
Of course.
No, you know say, hey, nowadays you're not going like you want to come creep up on the general man, that Sykes, you know. What you mean dine him? How that drop in say you want to give him something to eat? How you really depend? How you really say? How you really say?
You say grind on me, I tell you, can dine him. No worry yourself about that.
But me know what you mean. You name hot and spicy, you have trouble about dying him.
That's why me can dine him. Me not to give nothing to eat. Me not
to hear where you make it sound good, like say you really, and if people listen to you, they won't even know what you're up to a while ago, you know. Yeah?
What you up to?
What you want to give him something to eat for?
Eh? No. Did I tell you I want to give him something to eat?
No, you say you can't dine him, so you want to give him something to eat. Hot and spicy me attack to nobody normal. Are you? And you're a dangerous girl in our place.
So me ask you a question. Me can't eat.
What?
Me can't eat.
Oh, so you would eat too? If him a eat, you a
No,
eat too,
me
don't?
ask you a question. Why me ask you a question? Why me have to eat
No,
something to him? Me can't dine him and eat him.
If you, well, I'm sure you could if that's an option. Right? Yeah.
Oh, so
All right.
so you
All right.
attack
No,
us strong
let me
for.
take that back. Let me take it back.
Exactly, you attack us strong for.
All right. Yeah, let me leave that alone. You mash me up right there, sir. Cause you say you can't eat too, don't.
Exactly.
I can't bother.
Exactly. So we are talking about grind.
Yeah,
I don't grind.
yeah.
It's not grind alone upon the table.
Yo, quiet. No. You cool Raga a while ago, man. You shut up Raga a while ago, man.
You
shut up, Raga.
Hey,
Huh?
you have some of them cut them ears and maybe they nip on the life. Because down your clothes, Raga. Me talk up big and bold and loud. That's when them call you come my back, brad.
You know, them are going to beat you up in Maryland because them are listening now, you know.
Oh, I can't walk in peace.
No, but me I tell you now, basically, me I tell you what happen, you know, when you walk now, them, you know, so me hear you pour Raga last night, I say you eat.
Me supposed to eat. Because me not got my bed hungry.
What? Yo!
Me not got my bed hungry.
Oh, yes, a food for eat, no. Don't go your bed. And guess I take you up, no.
No just not at me, because when I got my bed hungry at 3 nights, me seen a one. They can't lie.
Cho, tell them, yeah. Tell them, yeah.
Me supposed to eat, because me not eat some rice and peas and ackee, you know.
Yeah.
And me not make one cup of tea and me leave it, so me go back in and go finish eat and go on my bed. So see when them come on and say, nah, no clothes, Raga, me here, who say, me not throw no one, me supposed to eat him.
What?
And eat him with knife and fork and
No,
plate.
hold on. So when you throw a word pan who call in and say, nah, no clothes, Raga, for? Why you throwing word that? Why you bring up that? Why you bring up that?
This is what you talk about here, Raga, and me she talking now because she talk about this and that in a Raga. Me know something I throw word.
Hold on. How too cute Japan at this now? Me and you argue about different things. You got chat. And the people who call in and say, nah, no clothes, Raga. And me and you know say it's only too cute do that and thing or whatever. How she come in now? How she come in now? How too cute Japan now? What too cute do you?
Because you see, to me, say me with die my young boy there. Me know him, I go say, Raga me first, and me like him vice, you know.
No, she never say that because that never happened. That never happened. I really, she first said she like Prezi voice and then you run in after because you're a bad mind and you want to come on, you like Prezi voice too and you Prezi for come to first and all them something there. And think, you carry belly. What you say what?
Me hear one song I sing when I was younger. Nobody nothing knows say me and you do something another. Me hear song when night. Yeah, me sing a listen nice and me hear song. You think me not hear?
What? Saturday night, you say?
No, man, I think on Monday night or Wednesday night I hear one song. Me hear somebody sing one song. Nobody nothing knows say me and you talk.
They're not too cute. They sing the song there, yeah?
That's the reason why me a throw a big word.
But why? So what that have to do with you? Too cute. They just attack. That never have nothing to do with you.
Me not see me. Cause to me jump up and say me love Prezi voice. Cause I want me a Prezi talk. Me not see
so you don't feel so pick up that other carry belly for your auntie, but she never call your name or nothing.
Not to call my name.
So you think you too cute? Did I throw a word pan when she sing that song there?
Yes. Cause me not scratch it up and me a yard fall.
Oh. Gamecock, no, well.
Yes. Dominic, no, me Dominic N.
Dominic N, me never hear that. Dominic, how that go?
You don't know Dominic Fall.
No, teach me.
Dominic Fall, anything you put anything set in your yard, Dominic Fall scratch out that. That's why most people don't like them fall. Because any evil in your yard, then Dominic Fall scratch it out. That's why most people don't like them.
No, well, we know about that. So you have certain, well, when I grew up, I get to where you say you forget certain fall. If people said certain things for you in your yard, they fall and we dig up a wobia thing them and whatever. So I saw the fall them name.
Yeah, Dominic Fall.
No, man, I thought the little maga fall them with scratch.
I saw the name, Dominic Fall.
But I never hear that name there for them. I never hear that name there before.
Really? I saw the name, Dominic.
No, man, them have one next name for them, man. Them have one next name.
You have 3 sets of fall. You have peeled fall.
Peeled fall?
peel neck. Them neck
Peel neck, yeah, me know the peel neck
right,
fowl.
Right,
Yeah.
the Dominic fowl out there were pretty. The Dominic pretty for them. They scratch out anything and then fight.
Alright, the fowl them always go in a cockfight and thing. What them fowl name? What them always use in a fowl fight? What them name?
All roosters, some big rooster them use.
No man, and a big rooster. Them have some special fighting fowl. Them have some name for them. Somebody go call and tell me, man. But me never hear the term Dominic fowl yet. Me never hear that yet.
I get to your barn and go. Me live in the bush, me see.
No, what is sense fowl?
Sense fowl are the one them for them poo stink. For them poo stink differently.
Well, sense fowl poo them do stink?
Yes.
Well, and to all fowl do no stink. I just sense fowl do stink?
No, sense fowl do stink more than any other fowl.
Oh, but why them name sense fowl? Why you know why them call them sense fowl?
I think because of them color or them behave. Them not really keep company, you know, them always by themselves. If I 10 of them in the yard, them 10 by themselves.
Also, sense fowl keep them just rolling out them one crew and them do stink.
Right, yeah, man. Anywhere sense for poo you can know. I do something I tell you.
No, but me notice back to too cute though. Me not like how you just take up too cute so and I chew a word and I go on and just chew a beer blow off a too cute so and all these things and whatever you want to beat the woman and the woman never. Me not think too cute did I call your name when she sing that song. No, then never have nothing to do with you.
I never tell her to call my name. No, me say me just scratch out.
No, but me not say you just scratch out and things if I use she a bantan, but me never think she did a bantan you.
Oh, me don't know. Me just me have to say.
Oh, you say what you have to say. And you throw your car, you not call no fall. Oh, the cap fit make them wear it down.
Thank you.
All right.
Anyone ball out, you know, so that one day, me just fling it out, boop.
Choose to one in a pig pen and the one where squeal and hit it and the one they knock. No. Okay.
Thank you.
All right. So if I don't feel, leave it alone. If I hear one, defend it, down.
Of course, I defend it. I support to defend it.
We can't bother.
I choose me wear my foot big.
All right. Let's say a word here. Hot and spicy. Big up yourself here.
Yeah, man, big up Mataran. Long time, I know here. I know she turn craving here.
Yeah, Mataran, I want to go on with you over St. Elizabeth Day. You're the people I'm ask for you. Mataran, I want to go on with you.
That me, I say, she turn craving here. I mango them, they want me 2 black mango.
No, she must. Me don't know, she must pull her hamstring and
carry. Yeah, man, you have 2 mango raga later.
All right, now say a word, man. Big up yourself, hot and spicy. Love and blessings and thing. All right, next call. Hello. Greetings. It sound like hot and spicy. Somebody else did it? Or hot and spicy phone still on? Can you tell you hear them fragging in the background of hot and spicy? Hello? 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 But the line open like somebody did it.
No close, Raga.
Boy, murder! Hey, me like you because you're not afraid of nobody. You're not afraid of nobody. What? Me not have to tell you, you know, say people they beat you and whatever and I talk about things and but
yeah.
No. I know that if you say man, if you say your thing, if you say me here, my love, say it man.
Me here, my love.
You know I heard that. You know I heard that. Yeah, what go on?
Foreign she out here.
No, she there Jamaica, one place named Maryland, up near, if you go like Irish Town, them area there, you know.
Because you always say Maryland, me think of her. Me not even about a beggar, you know, because she not have nothing like her out here, she did.
Yo, no man, you have one place up like you go Garden Town, Maryland, it named Garden Town, Irish Town. Topside Papina go up in a hill. You have one place up there so near Maryland. Up there. That's why anytime
she always think of foreign she there.
No man, they know you when she call her much a bullfrog then run her and sing all the while and whatever. She live with the bullfrog them.
But me feel say she fly out now and then, but me can't bother beg her, Raga.
No man, she not fly out man. And she and the bullfrog them up there man. And she and them part.
We have a time for beg her. Look how me look out for that girl and me all say her body. How much cement body when she say she want how much cement and me a different. You know I say Kevin me a sing
Kevin, he did a sing for don't. But you said it. You said it. You said it.
Me no know how she scratch out anything out of that because no the stuff is scratch.
You see it? And when me I say, when you call in again, you did a talk about when you talk to Kevin and him vice, whatever. You hear she call in and she talk about who answered the phone a while ago and whatever. This similar thing where you come with. Similar thing where you come with.
That work because of that donor tonight.
What you say? She was glad she Sanjay at work out. Anyone did your Kevin. Anyone did your Kevin at work. Hey, me love how Jamaican say that, you see. You know, just said done, you know. Hey, I'm glad I'm not Kevin at work because I would have done it tonight. Yeah, shell her out.
I would have nana road.
Nah, that. The woman say, Monday when you sing, or Friday, I forgot when you sing. The song, the cranium song.
Nobody not gonna know.
Yeah.
I want me.
Yeah,
Nobody not gonna know. Say me and you attack. Nobody not gonna know. Say me and you attack.
Yeah.
But you know you have the next side of it.
Right.
In the part.
Right. But you know, she buy it out and say she.
And she scratch out something out of that.
Yeah. And she say.
She really can't.
Wait, hold on. Eh? Oh, Kevin just walking at the studio down there, you know, backside now. What? Well, your Kevin come after she gone, so it's no problem, don't?
Kevin to the world.
See it there. So why she think? Why she think she did a bantan when you sing this?
Oh, she scratch. You see nothing in that she scratch out, Raga?
Well, me don't know, you know, because me don't even know if it's like it's a woman thing and me now pick it up or whatever. But me never get a Kevin, he just has a boy, you know,
Kevin, me say me I sing something for.
So she come and buy it out right and on a car belly for your up and for your fender and all these things.
That girl there, Tina, she figure argue with her, leave me alone because me have her back and she look like.
No, man, because when me I pick up, you know, it's like anywhere you go, she'll watch you. Anything you have, she want it too. I want to go on this.
No heat.
They no heat. Me
go start hide from the girl, eh?
Yeah, man, because anything you have, she want to. You understand? I want to go on this, so. I never hear you calling. One day you can say you want to take her from any bullfrog, them always make nice when she attack.
No. I'm glad me not like Blacky Mango.
You know?
I hear him, me love.
I hear you love, though.
Yeah.
Yo, with that sample, with that sample.
We have to just keep it real. We are friends here. We don't know each other, but you know,
they know
we not take it to another level. We just keep it real for your show.
Hold on. What do you think about R. Kelly, though?
Me no rate R. Kelly for a long time. Me no rate him for him come and take off his clothes from stage. I just can't feel him.
What you mean? Well, that you know, well, for different reasons.
I don't like him for a long time.
Okay. Them of course, you know, because I don't really love him.
Me no business. Me know enough people love him and them something. Them talk who me love. Me no like him. Popcorn, no. Hey!
What?
Yo,
what?
Papi?
What?
Yo, Raga.
Hold on a while ago you say, popcorn or pop. Hey! Yo! Papi! What you say about popcorn now? What you say about the unruly boss?
Yo, Raga. You remember when Nokia have the banger phone?
Yeah.
The flashlight one?
Yeah.
Me used to have it and just attack. Nobody know the funny phone in and I say, eat popcorn. What you say, Papi? Vietnam?
Yeah.
One day, I left my phone on at the room and my niece take it up and lock it off for me, you know. But me never know say lock off and she can't come and say, popcorn the funny line. Me grab the phone. Hello? Then laugh. They say you little liar. All this time, yeah. Hello, popcorn, and then something, then nothing no go so.
Oh, so you did a tricky crowd and not going like you attack your puppy?
Yes, me attack
Well,
the
so you really
popcorn.
love a popcorn. You like popcorn for true?
Man, me like him in a real life. All about a month ago, him pass through the place and give the man them $5,000. And me did gone on the road and my sister say your favorite artist pass through. Me nearly dropped down.
So, how about Papi so you can love him, sir? How about Papi so you can love him?
Boy, me don't know if I tree plot me like that turn me on.
Okay.
I always plot here in a tree. And,
Yeah.
you know, me just love him. Me don't know. Me love him. Papi, you Raga link no one and make Raga send on me number to you.
Die! Lighter! So what you say? So what if you love Papi, how you say? Gaza straight to? No.
No, me not say Gaza.
No, you're not Gaza, just Papi you love.
No, Papa.
Oh, that means you don't like Vibes Cartel either.
Now go this way, I can be no one get no beat up.
Oh, hold on. What you ask about the teach? I will tell us how the teach beat up. What you mean? The teach? No, what you say the teach beat up, man? I will tell us a Vibes Cartel beat up. I ever said that? I ever said that about the teach?
Get no beat up, me love, but a straight popcorn.
A
to the
straight
world.
popcorn,
Me
you
nah
say,
lie.
love
Nah
yourself.
lie.
So, well, but you don't sound like you're taller than Papi, man.
Little bit.
Little bit, okay.
Yeah, me 5'6".
Oh, okay. I think him about somewhere in that region there too, no?
Yeah. And me slim popcorn, me a sprat.
You slim, okay. You slimmer than Miss Lady there from Maryland, who are
Me
Bantan.
no know, me no know.
Okay.
Me no know. And Usain Bolt, no, me always say me that give Usain a baby, all if he no mind it.
Okay. Bap. What you say that? Oh, you don't give you saying a baby, all if him no mind it, you no matter.
All if he no mind it, as long as a female baby.
As long as a female baby and thing and whatever. But boy, too cute. If you have a Usain baby, you'd have to try to talk faster. No, man, you have to try to talk faster because that the baby they go quick. You understand?
Why me talk so slow, you know? Me can't build lyrics from spot like Ninja Man.
I like you tell.
God no.
I like you.
Yeah.
All right. Just build a small lyrics then for Papi, like you love for Papi then.
Hi, you know.
Yeah.
Pop.
Take your time, man. Take your time. Let's build a Papi lyrics.
Popcorn. You're a man. We have to go think more that.
No, but you say you can't build lyrics from spot with popcorn.
No, me can't believe, but you just set me sudden.
No, me know. Then that's the idea.
See, all right. Popcorn, you is the only popcorn I want to put in my microwave to pop.
Let me get a first line, I know. Say, Papi, anyhow you drop in my room. Give me the next line.
Papi, anytime you drop in my room, me I go kill you with the bad. Hey.
No, you go kill you with the bad. No, but you know what?
Bad.
You know what? Put a little rhyme on it, auntie.
Sure. Raga, me can't DJ. Me just can't class Tina.
You just can't class, Tina. Nah, man, but me don't know you can't rhyme. Say, Papi, me can't do it, you know, because you don't know a woman to me think straight. But you have to sing for Papi, man. Say, anyhow, I'm dropping in your room.
All right, say something to Tina then.
Oh, you want me to say something to Tina?
Yeah, say something to Tina.
No, but me no want Tina like my sister, you know. Me know Tina husband good, you know. Me know Ray good, you know.
Alright, say something to Atal Spicy then. And I'm not really.
Well, yeah. Let me see now. Atan Spicy, I know. Atan Spicy, I know. Wait a second. No, Bill and lyrics for this part. Atan Spicy, even though you're deaders. From you dropping at my crib, you have to give me headers. And
Alright, listen to this now.
yeah, true.
Listen to this now.
Yeah.
Popcorn, me never do headers. But when you drop in my room, me I go give you
Headers. So you not do headers, but the only man would have probably get if you do a headers a popcorn, though.
Papi!
You say that again. Say that way the female again. Say it again.
Popcorn, me not do headers. But if you drop in my room, me I go headers.
All right. Okay, but well, you know who can be lyrics man spot though?
Who?
I'm bad pan it too.
Who?
Tina, you see there, you know. Nah, man, you see, she named Tina Too Cute, and I worry about the Too Cute. Her name really was Tina the Assassin, you know. Yes, man, and then when we have clash.
She got too cute for.
Well, the assassin thing, she have to be careful with her work. And
true. Yeah,
I see him like when assassin did have female name. After a while, because him, you know, him used to do like a lyrical killer when him there on a red square. But after a while, him take his name a certain way, you know. And him change him name now to Agent Sasko. But so as a similar thing with Tina. But Tina can build lyrics on spot, man, and she bad too.
Okay.
She bad, man. So anyway, see she a beat you in a clash. Careful, don't run in here. A murder, she want murder you. Because she bad them way there. You hear?
Okay.
But just I tell her from now.
Write down my one in a book and just read it out for her.
She will write down to me, but I just I tell her she have that thing that she can create on spot to her. She wicked.
Yeah, because when she said the man a number 9 for the microwave,
bad.
we nearly dropped down.
But terrible, man. She full of lyrics. No, man, I see Tina have punchline. Tina now that talk a whole heap of something when I no use. You know, she would just say every line is a punchline. She bad them way the man. Lyrical them way the. But anyway, still we are gonna hold a break now. But before you go, you beard for a morning?
Yeah, me beard every man because remember when you treat it like you know.
No, hold on. Your phone, you know okay, I mash up a puppy, I go in and come. What you say a while ago?
No, me say me beard every man because anytime when you sleep, you even if you're not some.
No, all of a sudden your phone gone bad, man, and whatever this and that. Man, you make hot and spicy, you laugh off of you with your phone now, man.
Yeah, hear me?
Huh? I want to go on with that. No, sir.
You hear me?
No, me I hear you now, yeah.
Me say me beard every morning.
Right.
Because, you know,
gone again.
wait, you know. So me
well, something gone with your phone. Me don't know what happened with your phone, you know. Something not going bad with your phone, but I'm sorry.
But me I hear you clearly.
But me I tell you, the people, them will tell you, your phone, we did that hear you good. Me don't know where you shift or whatever and thing like that, but your phone I go in and out. Yeah.
All right, Kevin Arras.
If Kevin Arras?
Yeah.
Well, yeah, but and I like Rasta Ras, if that makes sense, you know. It's like
Black.
yeah, and it neat. I them need pretty boy something there. The woman them love it type of them, you know. So and I like in a clump up on them something there.
Yeah.
What you say, John? What? Full Ras? That him say? Kevin say my full Ras.
Okay.
But
no,
him here.
Monday night,
Yeah.
you say Kevin had Ras supposed to stand up in a head or whatever.
Yeah.
Me ask.
Yeah, but me never know if him cause you know some people are that some them style him here. And when him did a work with when him just start work with over new stock him here never stay. So when him a while him a work, them did start doing here, and then it get long now, obviously, after all these years. So, me not really did touch base with him and know where, you know, what go on in him headspace, if him a full rasa or whatever. So, me don't know, but if you and him start talking, you have to go wash him natty and all them something there, you know? And, you know, and oil him head and all them thing there, whatever, you know? And, and me don't know if I'm one of them rasta all time, not in a ponytail, but you'd have to go find that out yourself, you know?
Yes. All right, blessings, Raga.
All right, too cute. Okay, people, we're going to look a break. We'll soon forward, you know. We're going to look a break. Right, Jordan? All right, we're going to break. We'll soon forward.
Ragashanti live. Ragashanti live. Ragashanti live.
Boy, you see something on the right, you know. Missy. Me don't know why you get negative, so you know, Missy. Oh, you gonna post about she soon beg Kevin something. No, Missy too cute in a role, so you know. Right? Missy, oh, you got negative this, so. What you got negative this for? Me Missy down in Atlanta. Too cute in a role, so. Too cute, now beg nobody nothing. Too cute. If you go up on the IrieJam 360 Facebook page, you see somebody who know when I was charging from down in Atlanta there. Big her up, she just married and doing well. She posts, come on, you see she on the line, me I tell, she posts, she soon beg Kevin something. That's all Kevin Linton, one next youth named Kevin Linton, then I'll say, Missy, she love beg. You see it? She start up in negativity and thing and a brand new. And nothing ever come on that show you with you. I beg anybody nothing in too cute. You see how people wicked? Missy, how you gone this up with the woman? How you reach over there, so Missy? Too cute down at Jamaica, you there, Atlanta, you post, but she soon beg Kevin something. A woman can't like a man. A woman can't just like a natty. And whatever. You ever hear too cute call you and I beg somebody anything yet? Missy, you're wicked, you know. Too cute, the next time you call in, done her here, she out there. I me just want, me don't want people think she's trouble me and making a cause when they can't look. The IrieJam 360 Facebook page live, that's why I like when it up in a Jordan. That's why you see me go on bad one time, the computer you broke down or whatever, you know. See it there? Jordan, you see what? Jordan, just come. You know, if you the on the camera, because I just want people to know say true, me I tell. Just come right here, so I just come. I want evidence to say whether or not I lie, me I tell. Jordan, don't you see Missy post it? No.
Yeah, man.
All right. Where Missy post? Where Missy post? Read right here, sir. Read right here, sir. What she post, sir? Read it. What Missy post?
Yeah, man. Missy says she soon beg Kevin something.
She soon beg Kevin something. So you see, she on the line, me I tell. All right, then. See it there. All right. Too cute. Hey, people, them come here and bust liberty upon you. You know, do nobody nothing. All of a sudden, everybody want to come beat you. And you know, do nobody nothing. Too cute. See, Missy, she name Leon Missy. That's her name on Facebook. Leon, that's her last name. And then, that's really her last name. Man. And then Missy, Missy. Right, the next time you come here, done her nastiness, she out there. She don't know nothing about you and a talk about you soon begs Kevin something. When you the more give Kevin something and thing. Because, you know, hey, Missy a rude man. Jesus and peace and on me and it at me. Yo. Me glad me get evidence and see Jordan confirm it, you know, because enough time me talking something them on the things and make up things and whatever, you know. Oh. Okay. When Akita say, my gosh, me say, do make Raga go a court as witness. Hey, God. No, Missy, you go lose this and thing. Why you gonna say something negative like that about the woman? Oh, my God. Oh, my God. Too cute. Next time you call in, ring out that in a swap. No, you no swap it, tell and thing and whatever. Beat that pan a rock and ring it out and whatever. Rub out that. She named Missy Lane. She a wicked. I tell her about say you beggy and all them. Sometimes she don't know nothing about it. She brighty. All wicked. Anyway. people, you know, say, Prezi a DJ, see? Prezi, you know, DJ, like real DJ, play music, and him there, I want event a DJ and thing, and somebody have a microphone, you know, I think it was our next DJ or MC? Huh? Yeah, somebody have a microphone and thing. Then another person, you know, some people, them enough self or whatever, him jump, run, come up on the stage and grab with the microphone. So, Prezi now, I run, go for the microphone and the person, whatever, this and that, and the person make a bad swing and all them something there, and lick on Prezi and things like, catch Prezi eye in a one way where, yeah man, Prezi have to go hospital right away and get surgery upon him eye. So, it's a serious surgery, but him not blind. Right? Him good. Eh? No, he's out. You know he's out, but I just make people know. So, right here now, him basically only see through one eye right now, basically, because of the surgery. And that is why he's not here. Apart from, you know, I don't think that he's going to be seriously hindered in his activities and whatever. I mean, when you can only see through one eye, you have to be careful what accompany it from the angle where the eye there, whatever. You understand? So, for example, now, you know, you love screechy up on man and try to get man for all do certain little things sometimes. Prezi, you have to go careful now, here. Prezi, you have to go careful now, because nowadays when the woman them, I have read that nowadays when the woman them want you do certain things, them, you know, before you know it, all certain thing in your face and things. So, Prezi, you're at a disadvantage now, you know, Prezi. You're at a disadvantage. Prezi, if you want a woman to do something and thing, and you see she linger up on the blind side, yeah, Prezi, you know when you learn to drive, them say always looking at the blind spot before you turn. Always looking at the blind spot before you change the lane, because and you know look there, you're liable for run up in or something. So, Prezi, you see, anytime you go turn your face to the blind side, just lean your head back over to the seeing side first and kind of look where you turn your face. Because you might turn your face up in or something here. Because them young woman nowadays, them things are normal. When them a screech upon you. So, Prezi, you have to just look out upon the blind side. Don't make them screech upon you. Because before you know it, you all a juju facial and thing where you never did anticipate. You understand? I mean, no, so you don't need your pores clean. You don't need for going to juju spa or anything. Yo! Make me cherry boy, I love make trouble, so I'm if I tell you, Prezi, you have to be careful here. But big and serious, Prezi, you don't know. I would just say blessings and respect and just strength and protection and balance where you have to balance and forward when you are forward and thing, all right? People don't know, so we start up with the dating thing where we really are going to take off on a Friday. And I remember Chef did call in and make himself available. I can read this Friday, but I just want to tell you someone email come in and thing, and a lady, of course, no name now go call, I just make you know, say, somebody is interested in Chef. And she said, hi, Raga, I am, and she said her name, and I'm interested in meeting the gentleman living in Long Island, New York, that called your program the other evening seeking a committed relationship with a Jamaican woman. I live in St. Elizabeth and is a small entrepreneur. That means, you know, she do a little business, right? It's not like Hot and Spicy who nah do nothing. All she do I run up and down with the bullfrog them up in Maryland there. She's a small entrepreneur. Again, not like Hot and Spicy. All she do I play Stocky and Dandy Shandy with the bullfrog them. But anyway, I can be contacted at this number. Bam, 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 bam. I don't have any children. I am almost 37. This is also my personal email address. If you could be so kind to pass on my information to this gentleman. Thanks. Big up Raga. Your program bad. It no miss me. I got you, boo. And just make people have a sense the dating thing I pick up. and we're going to continue it. So Friday, Friday, we are going to do that at the beginning of the show before we take calls for other things and whatever. And basically, we have facilitate connections with people and things, right? But I want to see how these things, the way I do things like this, you have to have an initial structure, obviously. But the way I do radio shows, it's very dynamic, meaning that it's always in motion. It's always, it's not static. It's static is structured and firm in its form, and concrete and precise in its form. Dynamic is more malleable and constantly in motion and unpredictable and whatever. So so two adjectives that apply to my show is dynamic and organic. No, organic just mean life, but organic has a particular state of naturalness also. Them talk about organic food and whatever and things like that. But my show is like that. And why am I mentioning this to you? I am one of them who trust the process. And by that I mean I live by that, but I also do my show by that. So there is a naturalness, there's an authenticity about my show where, as you say, even if no call now come in, I just build. You don't force it. The show have its own energy. I have to just trust that energy. So even though you hear me come here and me go on my antics and whatever, I am actually applying a particular formula in what I do. It is not readily obvious because, as my acting teacher, the great Eugene Williams, told me at the Jamaica National School of Drama when I was there, he says, people who are truly good at what they do, people who are truly good at what they do, the impact is that when people listen and observe them, they think they can do it too easily. Right? Again, people who are truly good at what they do. I learned this from Eugene Williams. Because they're so good, when people watch them and listen to them, they think, I could do that and whatever. But it's just because they're that good, And so it is that when I do my show and I trust the process, I know that once you start something, after a while, you just have to set the tone. You just have to set the tone, in terms of the humor, the energy, and whatever. That becomes infectious. The process of reciprocity kicks in. When people listen and feel our vibes, and it prompts them to do something or call in or whatever, and the energy just build, pam. And so it is with these things. All you have to do is just put a little initial structure in place and then trust the process. So I don't want to structure the thing too much and just make it evolve into its own. Make it just grow organically. Make it just be dynamic and grow organically with this dating thing. And what usually happens is that the magic comes about later on, where certain things happen that you wouldn't predict. You wouldn't be able to predict it, You just have to put the right ingredients in place, and the resulting, the result is the magic, So my job is to put the right ingredients in place and to moderate the show, the way that I know how to do. In a way, again, that look easy, but it's not as easy as you think, as people think. Right? Much people must come and try to do my style of thing, and them just not have it. Enough time when you hear some singer, some DJ out there have a particular style, and then other people come and try to follow them style, and they miss the point. And them just can't get it. You understand? So sometimes I'll do some things and people want to link me and say, yo, somebody will follow you or whatever. I say, no, them free for follow me, because me did follow some things from some people too. But you have to create your own magic, right? Particularly in the creative enterprise. The people are really good at this. Them find them own niche, them own space, them own style, them own thing. But in the means them learn from people before. Me learn from Miss Lou. I learn from Master Ran. Some are too young for knowing them people. And things. So I learn from people who, when I did I go school and thing, and them they give one book from Miss Lou named Jamaica Labrish. And then now we start go festival and all them something there. Yeah, man. And them thing there, you know, you learn from when you grew up at Jamaica and all them something there, right? And big up Miss Cherry, you know, big up my mother, you know, people. Me I tell you, you know, woman, there was a genius I never know, you know. Cause my mother said, listen to me now. You have to go movies every Saturday. At Carib, we go watch 3 movies, me and my sister. Long time movie them, the Sound of Music, Bed Knobs and Broomstick, Chitty Chitty Bang Bang. Yeah, but just the exposure there in the performing realm, you know, in the creative realm. Then she said, every summer we have to go country, Mile Gully, St. Mary. And we have to carry water and thing and whatever. And in doing so, we learn about traditional Jamaica. Then every summer we'd have to go vocational Bible school too, not a church. And we end up and do look a creative thing and we grew in a church and thing and we understand. Every summer too, we did have to go the junior center down at the Institute of Jamaica on East Street, where we learn traditional drumming, me learn acting. Miss Golden used to teach her acting. Joy from Sistering Collective, she used to teach her traditional drumming. Me can play kumina, me can play gere, me can play all kind of something. Me learn them thing there. We learn acting. One man used to teach her art and thing and whatever. So, me telling all the while, why not see right here, so I never me just create it. And the manifestation of my mother vision. That she sell buckle down at Prison Street. And make we do them look at something, and look at outing and whatever. Me did in a Boy Scout, St. George's Boy Scout. My sister there forgot Girl Guide. Exposure. The equivalent of them, you know, rich middle class people who make them pick go do you know, ballet, I make them go do swimming, I make them go do dance, and you know them parents are run up and down. Up here them call them soccer mom. But the idea you're exposing your children to a multiplicity of activities and things that is working, you know, to develop them, you know, in a holistic way, you know, to make them be multifaceted and multidimensional and whatever. And then now the foundation that is set, so and I saw me able to build upon it. But I not just me. As them say, I am living on the shoulders of those are the giants before me. Yeah. Big up my teacher, Miss Allison, who did make me the Ballad of 65 by Alma Norma. The roads are rocky and the hills are steep. The maca scratches and the gullies deep. The town is far, news travel slow, but the mountain men have far to go. Yes, man, bogle and thing and whatever, and me get the solo and thing. My mother sent me in a junior choir at the East Queen Street Baptist Church, and me can't sing for save my life, but you fart for see me I walk my mouth and I go like me can't sing. Yeah, so big up Miss Cherry, you know. And she set it so we can there and get it done. Right? And I go pass a time to my youth them and thing. But what I say is, when you see me doing on my shows and whatever, nobody follow what people I say. It's actually the application of a multi-tiered system that I have tweaked and dropped the party and adding a dimension, but at the same time, it has to be authentic. It has to come from the natural, organic me. And that is the identity it have. So I see me when we are going to do that dating thing, yeah, trust the process. Me will know how I work and want to work and when the magic happen and all these things. All right? So we're going to continue this dating thing, yeah, on Friday, and we'll see where it goes. And I can almost guarantee you some interesting things are going to happen. But that's the beauty, you know, of making a connection with someone or something with whom you're compatible. And then once you both get together, or you're part of that system, that workplace, that job, that profession, that artistic enterprise and whatever, and you apply yourself, and you love what you do, and you get up and you push, the magic happens after. And you grow, and you be successful and things. See? Take care of yourself, people. Do remember, say tomorrow is all about a thing named Free Up over YouTube, Ragashanti TV. Again, over YouTube, what the channel name? Ragashanti TV. Tomorrow, 1 o'clock US time, 12 o'clock Jamaica time, 1 o'clock. Free Up tomorrow. And that's the thing that tomorrow, and of course Friday night, right yes, back on the bridge 99 FM and thing. All right? Big up on yourself, people. Keep on the bathroom clean. Clean out on the toilet, good, and take out the plunger from underneath the part where the water come and all them something there. Clean on the bathroom, good and all them something there, whatever. Right? And give thanks when we can use a soft toilet paper because when we grew up a cleaner and star, we have to wet and all them something there and thing. All right? All I want to drink some good cup of tea, give thanks because a lime leaf and them thing that we used to lip on or whatever. In fact, them they did better than enough for the thing that we had to right now. All right? Big up on yourself, take care of you and yours. And thing, I want on the outer road every now and then. I want to smell on the armpit and do a look at armpit check and make sure so the armpit not kick like Van Damme and all these things and whatever. You see me? All right, people. Tomorrow, Free Up on Friday. Right, just the same. Outer road.
Ragashanti live.